Sister, do it. Sister, make your noise. She's just staring at Daddy. There. Sister, look. Sister.
Daddy, get out of here!
No,
Daddy!
Davis.
She did not want the crap out of me.
Cameron, is that lip smacking good? Cameron. Davis, let her do it.
Amazing. Do it. Oh, you okay, little
Davis.
Sorry, Cameron. Look, is it better?
That's what she has to say to you.
You cussing at me? You better not be cussing at me.
Uh-oh, she came unsnapped. Sister. Don't get her fingers, brother. Okay. Cameron.
Mommy, yesterday, when you know how I wanted to stay out later with Alyssa a few nights ago?
Uh-huh.
When we started riding bikes,
Uh-huh.
and Presley unsnapped one of her snaps on hers.
Oh, no.
While she was riding her bike, while her dad was riding his bike. But she snapped it back.
Okay.
Only one was out of two.
Sister.
You want the noodles?
Davis, no.
So you're gonna
Bye.